Are you looking for an easy way to make money online? Want to know how you too can leverage the power of the internet and set up a source of passive income? Well, if you do, you're at the right place, because today we're going to teach you all the ways you can use YouTube to start making money today. Yes, you heard that right. You can start making money on YouTube today. You don't even need to get monetized and use AdSense. Don't believe us? Well, stick to the end of the video to learn this secret method. More of that in a second. Now before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Also, make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Without further ado, let's dive right in. One simple method. First up, we have the plain normal method of making money on YouTube. You set up a channel. Upload content on it regularly and wait for subscribers to start ramping up, at which point your channel will get monetized and you'll start getting paid in ad revenue and sponsorship money. This is by far the most reliable method, but it is also the most time-consuming and labor-intensive. There are a lot of ifs involved, and sure, it has worked for thousands and thousands of creators, but the thing is, it needs years of effort before you can expect it to start making a decent amount of money. You should still try this, and if you really want to start a long-term income source, putting continuous effort towards getting a channel running is a safe bet. Do affiliate marketing methods. All the big YouTubers make money from AdSense and the revenue they generate off of their video watch time. This can take quite a bit of time, since to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which truth be told is super difficult to get when you're just starting out. With no monetization in sight in the near future, you can look at affiliate links as a source of income. 1. Creative Commons videos. Download videos from YouTube that are under the Creative Commons section. These are copyright free, and you can re-upload them without any fear of a copyright violation. Now, once you upload them, you need to put an affiliate link to a product related to the video niche you just re-uploaded in. Try picking a viral video when choosing which video to re-upload. Uploading a viral video has the maximum chances of you getting the maximum number of views. With all this free marketing, even if a small percentage of viewers, let's say 0.5%, open the link and buy the product, you'll still be making a ton of money. You just need to upload as many videos as you can to maximize your chances of sales, and with each video taking just 5 to 10 minutes of your time and promising potentially hundreds of dollars in revenue, this is a perfect way to start making money on YouTube. Best thing is, you can start making money using this method today, since you don't even need monetization to get started. Anyway, that was all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to support us and stay tuned. See you next time. Peace.